Hi, welcome back to Bethan's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. In this session, I will talk about timesheets within Xero. So for this, we're going to assume that you have not created timesheets through the Xero Me app, and instead you may have them on your phone, Excel spreadsheet, someone's just telling you next to you about how many hours they've done. So this is where you're going to key in this information into Xero. So you want to go on to payroll and timesheets. How you keep track of this externally to Xero is completely up to you, but you want to then feed this information into Xero so that you can pay these employees through their timesheet process, then into payroll process. So we have Chelsea, and she has not got any timesheets created for this fortnightly pay run. If I wanted to just check that I've paid her and created the timesheets for the fortnightly occurrence before, then I can click on this pay period and drop down to last time. And as I can see, she had 70 hours posted and they were approved. So that means that that all went through the system correctly. So we're back onto this pay run. And so I'm going to create the timesheet. And then what you want to do is you want to select whether their earning rate is their regular hours or if it's overtime, because the two might have a differentiation from a price perspective. Now, it's completely up to your business model whether that is the case or not. But for this example, I would just do regular hours and we'll just say that she worked 7 hours every day in the week. So we just type that number in. And then as you can see, Xero calculates the number of hours for the total week for the 2 weeks, because again, this is a fortnightly run. And then I can come down here and click Approve Timesheet. If I want, I can save this as draft and then come back to it later. But I'm going to click Approve Timesheet, and then it comes up and it just reminds you, this is what you're posting. Are you happy to continue? And I am, so I'm going to approve that timesheet. Now that's in the system, that doesn't mean payroll's been done and she's been paid. So what I then need to do is run payroll. So I then go back to payroll, and then I go back down to this pay employee section. And then once that's opened up, I can then change my new pay run to fortnightly and then process pay run. And then her timesheets will be included in this pay packet now. So this 70 hours will match the 70 hours we just saw on the timesheet. You can go through the relevant checks in this payslip, but I know that that's all that is included that I need to check on. Therefore, I just click Save. You can then save and close. And then when you're ready, you can click Post to post that payroll. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to follow and like for more content. See you at the next one.